In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Hostinger domain. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a seasoned web developer, or simply someone keen on creating a personal space online, securing a domain name is the foundational step. Hostinger provides a seamless experience for acquiring domains, and I'm here to walk you through the process step by step, ensuring clarity and a straightforward journey. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Hostinger website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in hpanel.hostinger.com in the address bar. This is where we will start our journey. Once you arrive at the panel, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the site layout. Hostinger's interface is user-friendly and easy to navigate, which helps make the process stress-free. Next, locate the Domains tab. It's typically found within the main menu, easily visible for your convenience. Clicking on this tab will direct you to a page where you can explore various options and details regarding domain procurement and management. This domain page is essentially your dashboard for all things related to domain acquisition and management at Hostinger. Once you're on the domain page, you'll see several options. Look for the See More Options link. Clicking here expands your choices and showcases a wealth of domain extensions and possibilities. Take a moment to browse through and consider the domain name options available. Remember, your domain name is the digital identity of your website, so choose one that is easy to remember, aptly represents your brand or purpose, and speaks to your audience. After settling on the perfect domain name, it's time for the exciting part: purchase. Locate the Buy Now button alongside your selected domain name. Clicking this button prompts you to follow the purchase workflow. This stage will guide you through selecting registration terms, reviewing pricing, and eventually confirming your transaction. Always keep an eye out for special offers or discounted rates that Hostinger might be offering, as these can help you secure your domain at an even better price. Moreover, remember that purchasing a domain is only the beginning. Once owned, you can attach it to your hosting plan, set up professional emails, and start building your website presence. Navigating through Hostinger and purchasing a domain name is not just a task, but a significant stride toward establishing your online presence. With Hostinger's intuitive interface and competitive pricing, acquiring a domain has never been more straightforward. So, follow these steps, and soon you'll own a little piece of the internet to call your own. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, every great website starts with a great domain name. I hope this guide has helped make the process clearer. Happy domain shopping!